Ethiopia unveils Forest Carbon Trading Framework, opening new market for climate finance. Ethiopia has established a comprehensive legal framework for forest carbon credit trading, setting rules for the registration, verification, and transfer of carbon credits generated from forest conservation and reforestation activities, according to a directive issued by the Ministry of Agriculture. Forest Carbon Trading Directive Number 1122/2025, which took effect in December 2025, creates a structured system for landowners, communities, and project developers to generate and trade carbon credits, each representing 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide emissions reduced or removed from the atmosphere through forest-based mitigation activities. The directive identifies 6 eligible mitigation activities for carbon credit generation: reducing deforestation, reducing forest degradation, afforestation, rehabilitation of degraded lands, sustainable forest management, and other forest-related activities to be specified by the Ethiopian Forestry Development. Carbon credits may be generated either through registered forest carbon credit project-specific local initiatives with defined boundaries, or through jurisdictional forest carbon credit programs led by regional or national authorities. Under the directive, all forest carbon credit projects and jurisdictional programs must register with the Ethiopian Forestry Development and obtain a certificate before commencing operations. Project registration requires documentation, including a project plan with geo-referenced maps, legal contracts with forest carbon credit owners, letters of support from regional bureaus, and landholding certificates for the project area. Crucially, the directive establishes that forest carbon credit owners retain the right to transfer ownership of credits to third parties, while the Ethiopian Forestry Development manages the transfer of credits generated under jurisdictional programs. A benefit-sharing plan must be developed with beneficiary consent to ensure that financial returns from carbon trading reach forest owners and communities. Carbon credits must be verified by independent, accredited verification bodies in accordance with international standards. Project owners are required to maintain records for at least 10 years after a project's expiration and submit annual implementation reports to the Ethiopian Forestry Development. The directive also mandates public disclosure of key information including accounting methods, benefit-sharing arrangements, baseline scenarios, and credit estimation methodologies. Trade secrets may be protected, but pricing and contractual information must be provided to regulatory authorities upon request. Registration may be revoked if obtained through misrepresentation or fraud, if insufficient information was submitted, if operations become injurious to the environment or human health, if land is required for superior national or regional interests, or if contractual obligations are breached. Credits issued prior to cancellation remain valid unless obtained through fraud. The directive supports Ethiopia's broader climate agenda as the country prepares to host COP32 in 2027. Ethiopia has been developing its forest carbon programs with international partners, including its long-standing REDD Plus partnership with Norway, which recently advanced toward results-based payments with the finalization of carbon credit transactions.
Share, comment, like, subscribe.